But I don't plan on doing it all day, and it is a hot car, so bring it down a little bit. Maybe I'll break through the heat. I'm not here to make any complaints.
Absolutely. I do the same thing. That's why the cigarettes go for me once I stop.
All right, I better go check. Yeah, and I'm just running on a backup battery now, and it didn't even run out of energy. It just got hot.
That's the way my phone battery is. It won't charge.
Yes, exactly.
It won't charge that long. You have to plug it in. I've
Yeah.
got an electric cord.
Right.
If I
Okay.
could, I would get my cell phone connected.
So yeah, I'm gonna bring it down for the hotter part of the afternoon since it's overheating. Move it up a little bit, let everybody know that we got some heat issues, and we'll bring it back up pretty soon. I was thinking about bringing it in and everybody including NBC that's giving us service. And nobody, it's not the whole purpose right now is just to gain the awareness that it exists. It's kind of a boring stream actually. I'm talking back, come on, over the guitar,
Yeah.
play some music, everybody. It would be fun. I'm not a very good comedian, and I might try to say something funny.
So is there much audio going on? Like, can you hear?
It gets this noise. It's kind of rough.
No, that makes me feel safer actually.
Yeah,
There have been a
actually,
few things where all of a sudden
there's
people
no.
like,
Well, you want to see what it looks like.
There was a young man that's been here right when it happened, and we come down here right since our neighbors
yeah,
and
yeah,
we
I'm
talked
gonna
to
come
him.
check out the stream real quick to see what it looks like. Yay!
I'm gonna give that thing a break in a while too, because it's overheating, and I really don't want to, make everybody feel left. We're just trying to bring about awareness of our
I
existence.
don't want any complaints or delivered no food because we're doing the best we can.
Oh, we've of course passed health inspections because we're not. This isn't our first time on a field. I gotta scream because you can't. This isn't our first time doing a field kitchen. There's a lot of logistics. Even with streaming, we've got heat. But the good news is, health department came out. They loved our operation, and everything's going smoothly. And a lot of people are being helped thanks to you.
Thank you.
We're doing the best we can, we
That's all we
promise.
can
It's
do.
okay.
Oh, we'll sleep after a while.
I do
It
that
won't.
every
I think
time.
I'll get that thing half eaten off really quick.
Every time I feel like I do that. I can't help it. I don't know why. Like up there in the basement with that stuff. I'll try to find someone to bring it out to you. Can I go in the dining room?
Okay, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and go get some lunch, and then I think we're gonna give these overheating smart devices the afternoon off, and we'll come back on for dinner time. I hear lunch is absolutely delicious, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me some. Hey, you guys. Hi. I need to use some sanitizer. Would you hold this?
Yeah.
It's not looking at you. It's looking at. Oh,
No,
you're
I
right.
have the glove.
You're right. There we go.
Huh?
May I have a sandwich, please? Thank you so much. Yeah, it's gonna have to take the afternoon off. The smart device is overheating.
That's fancy.
We have tuna salad, egg salad sandwich, and salad and cucumber.
Oh my goodness.
So what do you want?
Well, I would like to do
Egg salad or tuna
tuna
salad?
salad sandwich and some cucumber salad on the side, please.
Okay.
Oh, momentarily. I just want everybody to see the good food.
We got cucumber salad, egg salad, and tuna salad.
I'm gonna get the tuna salad.
Do you want the cucumber in a bowl?
Please.
And they dump them off in the middle of nowhere, camp area.
So what else do you want?
Yeah, tuna salad and what salad it was?
Cucumber salad?
And what really?
Oh, egg salad.
Tuna salad and cucumber salad again.
Thank you.
And do you want it as a sandwich?
And some nice cold drinks. Nice green tea with antioxidants.
And you said you want the egg?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on the.
I gotta set this down again. All right, everybody, I'm gonna lead back to where I'm having lunch. I'm filming the food. Oh, we got Guy Fawkes here today. And go enjoy some of this yummy lunch.
Hey, gang box that's about like this, and about like this. What size is this? How big is that?
I think about 4 to 5 foot
5 foot long.
by, I'd say, 2.5 to 3 foot wide.
3 foot. Well, probably a big square, 4 to 5 foot square, and maybe about, yeah.
This is Stick. He is the man. He is taking care of so many of the logistics out here. He's been working non-stop for hours every day. Most of us have, but been operating on anywhere from 4 to 6 hours daily in order to ensure that we keep all these great workers. We've got the Potawatomi tribe. They've come out with all their heavy equipment to assist in moving the debris, and they're getting it out, and they're getting ready to try to get the utilities back up. I've heard that there's going to be a delivery of about 5 new mobile homes, and they're working on determining who's going to receive those, and it would be great if we could see some more. They lost 82 homes right here in Steelman, and just it's great seeing all this wonderful progress.
Whoa. This is on the core site.
What?
Stay
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and eat lunch. Thank you for being here, everybody, and stay tuned, and we'll re-bring up the stream right before dinner, because once again, the equipment's getting hot, and we're a little hot, and everybody needs to take a break, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for being here, and stay tuned.